Hello friends, we are going to start our journey by including one new skills. So we are here with a new event which is 30 days of Flutter, and today is the first day of this event. So we will start with the introduction part of Flutter, that what is Flutter, why it is introduced in the market, what are its benefits, what features it's providing, what are its advantages, disadvantages. So what is Flutter? So Flutter is a UI toolkit for building fast, beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile, web and desktop with one programming language and single code base. It is free and open source. Initially it was developed from Google and now manages by an ICMA standard. Flutter apps use Dart programming languages for creating an app. The first version of Flutter was introduced in the year 2015 at the Dart Developer Summit. It was initially known as codename Sky and can run on Android OS. On December 4, 2018, the first stable version of Flutter framework was released, denoting it as Flutter 1.0. Now, we are going to see what makes Flutter unique. So, Flutter is different from other frameworks because it neither uses WebView nor the OEM widgets that ship with the devices. In general, creating a mobile application is very complex and challenging task. There are many frameworks available which features to develop mobile application. Like for developing mobile apps, Android provides a native framework based on Java and Kotlin. Similarly, iOS provides a framework based on Objective-C or Swift language. Thus, we need two different languages and frameworks to develop app for both Android and OS. Today, to overcome from this complexity, there are several frameworks have introduced that support both OS along with the desktop apps. This type of framework are known as cross-platform development tools. Now this cross-platform development framework has the ability to write one code and can develop on the various platforms like Android, iOS and desktop. It saves a lot of time and development of efforts of developers. There are several tools available for cross-platform development, including web-based tools such as Ionic from Drifty in 2013, PhoneGap from Adobe, Xamarin from Microsoft, and React Native from Facebook. Each of these frameworks has varying degrees of success in the mobile industry. In recent, a new framework has introduced in the cross-platform development, namely Flutter developed from Google. So, it uses its own high-performance rendering engine to draw widgets, and it implements most of the systems such as animation, gesture, widget in Dart programming that allows developer to read, change, replace or remove things easily. It gives excellent control to the developer over the system. Now we will look what are the features of Flutter. So, Flutter is open source. It provides hot reload feature. It is having several widgets. It is also cross platform. It has minimal code and we can access different features and SDKs. So we can also use third party features and platform API in our app. Now after that, what are the advantages and disadvantages of Flutter? So advantages are, it makes the app development process extremely fast because of the hot reload feature. So what is this hot reload feature? So whenever we create a whole app, or we can say a whole page, and if we want to change only a single word, then after executing our program, it will again load the whole page. But in this hot reload feature, it will only load the changes which we have made in our program or in our code. So this is the facility provided by Flutter, which is hot reload feature. And second one is Flutter reduces the time and efforts of testing. Third one is it provides the smoother and seamless scrolling experience of using the app without much hacks or cuts, which makes running application faster in comparison to other mobile app development frameworks. Now the disadvantages are Flutter is a comparatively new language that needs continuous integration support through the maintenance of scripts. As Flutter is in its active development stage, so new features are coming day by day. So there may be changes, like if you are using some method or function at this time, might possible that this same functionality or method will not work after 6 months or 1 year. So this is the one of the disadvantage of Flutter. Second one is it uses Dart programming for coding. So a developer needs to learn new technologies. However, that language is very easy, as its syntax and features methods are similar to C style. Now third one is it provides very limited access to SDK libraries. It means a developer doesn't have a lot of functionality to create a mobile application. Such type of functionality needs to be developed by the Flutter developer themselves. That means some of the features are not still provided by Flutter. So you have to create your own functionalities. So this is one of the disadvantage of Flutter, while this may be disadvantage for some of the users, which which is very much similar to the advantages which Flutter are providing. So this was the whole introduction of Flutter. Thank you.